Why did Ops King offense change over baseball history? Imagine a time when hitting was measured only by batting average or home runs. Now, picture how baseball has evolved to include more complete ways of understanding a player's offensive value. Ops, or on-base plus slugging, became a key statistic because it combines two important parts of hitting: how often a player gets on base and how powerfully they hit the ball. It was created because traditional stats like batting average and RBIs didn't tell the full story of a player's ability to contribute offensively. Sabermetrics, which is the scientific analysis of baseball, introduced ops in the late 20th century to give a clearer picture of a player's overall hitting performance. Over time, the role of ops as the top offensive measure shifted because of how baseball itself changed. Early on, teams focused mainly on batting average and home runs, but these stats ignored walks and the extra value of getting on base. Sabermetric thinkers like Bill James showed that walks and extra base hits matter just as much as hits and home runs. This made ops more popular because it combined on-base percentage and slugging percentage into one number, making it easier to compare players. In the 1980s and 1990s, ops gained more attention through books, broadcasts, and baseball cards. Teams and analysts saw that ops correlated well with runs scored, which is the real goal of offense. As it became more widespread, it replaced older stats as a quick way to evaluate players. But ops isn't perfect. It treats on-base percentage and slugging percentage equally, even though getting on base is often more valuable for scoring runs. This led to the development of other metrics like weighted on-base average and ops plus, which adjust ballpark effects and league differences. Baseball's offensive environment also played a role. During the steroid era, slugging percentages soared, making ops look inflated. As the game evolved, rule changes, ballpark sizes, and pitching quality affected offensive numbers. Modern analytics now adjust for these factors to compare players across different eras more fairly. Today, ops remains a useful starting point because it combines key parts of hitting into one simple number. But teams and analysts now use more advanced stats to get a better picture of a player's true offensive impact. The reason ops was once called the king of offensive metrics is because it brought together the most important parts of hitting in a straightforward way. Its prominence changed as baseball's understanding of offense deepened, new stats were created, and the game itself changed. Ops still acts as a bridge between old-school stats and modern sabermetrics, helping us see how players have contributed over the years.